In this video, I'll show you how to emote in League of Legends. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and hold T on your keyboard. As you can see here, I have one available emote right here. If yours have multiple right here, just go ahead and select those. Just go ahead and simply hover your mouse into the specific emote and release the T button. Alright, release, and as you can see, there you have your emote. Now when we go to our main menu right here by pressing escape, go to hotkeys right here. Alright, and you should see this particular settings. Now what we're going to do here is just go head over to communications, click on it, scroll down, alright, and head over to the emote section. And here you can go ahead and put on your custom key. Alright, as you can see here, quick play emote north, quick play emote northeast, and so on and so forth. Alright, just go ahead and click on one, then hit a random button or whatever button you like on your keyboard. For example, L, right? And once that's done, hit on OK. Alright, if you want to buy more emotes, just go ahead and close the game. Then go head over to shop right here at the client store. And here, go head over to accessories. And as you can see here, there's a ton of emotes right here that you can use for as low as a 350 RP. If you don't know how to get RP, just click on this one right here, which is the plus sign. Wait for it to load and cash in and do the simple process. And that's basically how you emote in League of Legends. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.